Everything you think you know about the future of smartphones is about to change, and what Apple is hiding in their labs for 2026 isn't just an upgrade. It is a complete extinction event for every other phone in your pocket right now. We are looking at the iPhone 18 Pro Max, a device that leaks suggest will finally achieve the holy grail of technology that Steve Jobs dreamed of decades ago. And if you're planning to upgrade your phone anytime soon, you need to stop and listen to every single word of this, because the technology coming in 2026 makes the iPhone 15 and even the upcoming 17 look like antique toys. The rumors coming out of the supply chain in Taiwan are painting a picture of a device that abandons the physical constraints we have accepted for the last 10 years, moving towards a completely portless, buttonless, and bezel-less experience that feels less like hardware and more like holding pure light in your hand. We are talking about the complete elimination of the dynamic island, replacing it with next-generation under-display camera technology that Apple has been patenting in secret for years, finally giving us that seamless, uninterrupted sheet of glass that looks like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the screen is just the surface. The real terror for Samsung and Google lies deep inside the silicon. The rumored A20 chip is set to be built on a 2-nanometer process, a level of microscopic engineering that physics barely allows, promising efficiency and power that doesn't just rival desktop computers, but destroys them, enabling on-device AI capabilities that we haven't even seen in the cloud yet. Imagine an iPhone that doesn't just answer Siri prompts, but predicts your needs before you even articulate them, generating 8K video in real time, editing entire movies with voice commands, and handling gaming graphics that make the PS5 look outdated. This isn't just about speed. It's about the integration of a new neural engine that will serve as the brain for the most advanced augmented reality ecosystem ever built, bridging the gap between your phone and the Vision Pro in ways that will make reality itself feel upgradable. We are also tracking credible leaks regarding a shift in materials that goes beyond titanium, potentially utilizing a new ceramic metal hybrid that makes the phone virtually indestructible, finally ending the era of cracked screens and protective cases, allowing the raw beauty of the industrial design to shine without fear of damage. But let's talk about the camera, because this is where the leaks get truly insane. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a variable aperture telephoto lens that physically moves, mimicking the human eye, paired with a sensor size that rivals professional mirrorless cameras, meaning low-light photography will cease to be a challenge and start looking like cinema. We are hearing reports of a 300x digital zoom that utilizes AI reconstruction to make a photo of the moon look like you took it from a spacecraft, and a video engine capable of recording in raw formats that Hollywood directors would be happy to use. This camera system isn't just for memories. It is a 3D scanner, a spatial video capture device, and a telescope all in one. However, with great power comes the biggest question mark: battery life. Apple is reportedly working on stacked battery technology derived from electric vehicles, which could double the density of current cells, meaning this beast could genuinely last for 2 or 3 days on a single charge, solving the biggest pain point of modern life. As we get closer to 2026, the leaks regarding the price are terrifying, with analysts predicting a starting price that could shatter the $1,500 barrier, pushing the Pro Max model into a luxury tier that separates it from everything else on the market. This raises the ultimate question for you. Is it worth waiting for? Is it worth holding on to your current device for 2 more years to witness the biggest leap in Apple's history? The iPhone 18 Pro Max represents the end of the smartphone as we know it, and the beginning of the ambient computing era. If these leaks hold true, we aren't just looking at a phone. We are looking at the most powerful tool ever created for the human hand. Do not buy a new phone until you understand what this device means for the future of tech.